Assistant Minister. I am representative, COICA representative, the Permanent Secretary, management team of the ministry, ladies and gentlemen. I extend my sincere gratitude for your presence on this momentous occasion. It is with immense pleasure and enthusiasm that I address you today as we inaugurate two crucial documents for the ministry. These documents are the soft launch of the Evacuation Center Guideline and the Ministry's 2023-2024 Annual Costed Operation Plan, coinciding with the unveiling of the Ministry's newly revamped website. Let me begin with the soft launch of the Evacuation Center Guidelines. These guidelines have been meticulously crafted to serve as a comprehensive and systematic framework for the establishment and effective management of evacuation centers. In times of natural disasters, unforeseen emergencies, and other crises, the success of an evacuation center depends on meticulous planning, strong leadership, and community cooperation. These guidelines are an indispensable tool to ensure the safety and well-being of our fellow citizens during times of need. Adhering to international standards is critical, and I'm delighted to hear that the evacuation center's plans and designs are aligned to the sphere standards, an ethical obligation and a practical necessity. The safety and well-being of our communities during emergencies, whether they be natural disasters, conflicts, or other unforeseen crises, depend on our ability to provide them with refuge, essential services, and dignity. I wish to express my appreciation for the pre-selection of multi-purpose evacuation centers, encompassing those designated for new construction and those scheduled for retrofitting. I would also like to acknowledge our event organizers for granting us the opportunity to explore the assessment tool and to test it at a site that has now been confirmed as an evacuation center to be retrofitted in the Western Division. This is a significant milestone, and I must commend the International Organization for Migration and the Korea International Cooperation Agency for their invaluable partnership in our ongoing endeavors to enhance community resilience through these multi-purpose evacuation centers. In peacetime, these centers will function as hubs for community activities aimed at generating funding, consequently enhancing the livelihood of our community members. The evacuation center guidelines articulate government standards and governance processes, assuring the protection of people's lives during disasters and the safety of our vulnerable community members when seeking refuge in these secure shelters. This guideline is an activity registered in our ministry Annual Costed Operation Plan, or ACOP in short. The Annual Costed Operation Plan we are also launching today is a testament to our commitment to transparency, accountability, and the effective utilization of resources. This plan outlines our major outcomes and targets, timelines, budget provisions, and the monitoring process. It serves as a strategic roadmap guiding our actions in the year 2023-2024. The ministry's 10-year strategic plan encompasses 5 key pillars, which are: 1, ensuring sustainable living standards and resilient communities; 2, improve connectivity and accessibility for rural and maritime communities; 3, supporting sustainable growth and resilience of the rural economy; 4, effective coordination and facilitation of national disaster operations and disaster risk reduction; and 5, strengthen development, planning facilitation, knowledge management, organization effectiveness, and workforce development and good governance. Our plan emphasizes a detailed timeline for prompt initiative execution, aligning with our commitment to meet targets within set deadlines. The budget allocation of $29.1 million supports responsible fiscal management for effective implementation. We have designated responsible officers to ensure accountability throughout the planning, execution, and monitoring phases, demonstrating our dedication to achieving our goals efficiently. And as we present this annual costed operation plan, let us remember that our mission transcends mere project execution and budget allocation. It is centered on enhancing the lives of our fellow citizens, granting them access to vital services, and securing their well-being during challenging times. Our goal is to pave the way for a brighter and more resilient future for our nation. And aligning to this initiative, the ministry website was revamped to address the changes brought about in our new financial year. The website serves as a digital gateway, a window to our work, our mission, and our commitment to service. It is designed not just as a website, but as a vital tool to connect, inform, and engage with all those who rely on the services and information that we provide. Our revamped website embodies the core values of our ministry, including transparency, accessibility, and timely engagement. It serves as a central repository for reports, publications, and performance data, reflecting our commitment to open and honest governance. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, it caters to diverse needs and compatible with various devices. In addition, the website provides real-time updates on our initiatives, invites user engagement, and acts as a comprehensive resource hub. And as we launch this platform today, we acknowledge its dynamic nature and our ongoing commitment to its continuous improvement, ensuring it remains an invaluable resource for all stakeholders. And as I bring my remarks to a close, I would like to gently remind the members of the public that we have now entered the cyclone season. I implore you to diligently heed any warnings once issued, ensure the safety of your children by keeping them away from flooded walkways and rivers, for the well-being is of utmost importance. Please resist any temptation to cross flooded walkways, as the submerged hazards and debris remain unknown and could pose a significant risk. Warnings are issued well in advance, but if an unexpected situation arises, be well informed about your family's emergency plans and the location of your nearest evacuation centers. In times of crisis, remember that none of us are truly safe until we all are. Thank you and Dhanyavad.